What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Bitcoin, we broke above the level that I was telling you about on the previous video. Yes guys, on the previous video I was telling you that I was thinking that we are going to go to the downside because we were breaking below level of important supports, and this green one right here of this volume profile being the most important one. This level was so important that it was the title of my previous video. Yes, Bitcoin has to break above this level. And as you can see, after being rejected twice, two times right here, let me prolong this line here to be more clear to you, like this. After these rejections, you can see that Bitcoin broke above this level and found support above it, as you can see right here. And once we were supported by this level, boom, Bitcoin exploded all the way to the next level of resistance, all the way up to $27,330. This is of course a very important level of resistance for the price action and has rejected the price 3 times already. And if we scroll back here guys, you can see that it has acted many times as resistance for the price action of Bitcoin. Here once, here many times, as you can see. So it was a very important level of resistance for the price action, and of course we are being rejected by this level once more. It's been a great rally for Bitcoin so far. As you can see, we went 10% already to the upside. We are finally seeing this bullish divergence on the daily time frame playing out. But guys, never forget that corrections are healthy for the market, and we are right now facing a very strong level of resistance. So it would be very normal if we would start to see some corrections, some movements to the downside before we finally break above the level of this resistance here at 27,400 and come all the way up to this resistance here at $28,200. Why this is an important resistance as well? Because it is the level that rejected the price action once we had this huge leg to the upside right here, almost 9% to the upside. That's the level that rejected the price action right there. And also previously, you can see that it has also acted as resistance other times. So let's see what is going to happen here guys with these price actions, because if we start to close the candles above this resistance, then most probably we have a good opportunity to have a long position here all the way up to the level of this resistance. But also if we start to see some weakness, if we keep being rejected by this level, if we open another candle right here, try to break above this level, leaving a huge wick to the downside guys, forming an inverted hammer for example, then that would be a signal to short this movement, at least to the level of this previous resistance here. By the way, this level that Bitcoin is trading right now is a good level of resistance, not only because of this horizontal resistance, but we also have this very important here. Give me a second. This one. This descending resistance guys, as you can see, it has rejected the price other times, as you can see. And if you take a look here, if I zoom in, you can see that that's the exact level that is rejecting the price action once more, increasing of course even more the probability of having some corrective movement for Bitcoin, and also signaling that it would be a very bullish thing if we manage to break above this level, because then we would not just be breaking this horizontal level, but also this whole downtrend that we were having here. Before I continue guys, don't forget of course to smash the like button, and also don't forget to sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange and the one that I use to trade every day guys. All these trades that I show to you on my channel, I am always using Bybit guys, and if you use the link on the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus, but they require KYC. So if you don't want to do the KYC guys, then I recommend you to use Bitflex, the second link on the description of this video. And talking again about the bearish side guys, not bearish, but I mean about the scenario that we could have some correction. You can also see that we are having right here bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. The RSI is going lower, forming lower highs, while the price action we are having formation of higher highs. Solana guys, Solana is pumping as well. Great news, good to see what is going on here on Solana, because if you are a subscriber already, you know that I've been talking about this very important blue line of support, this descending support line right here on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, and we are being rejected. We faked out below this level, and we are, as you can see right here, and we are being rejected by it. We went up already from the low here, 16% from the low to the top. Very good to see this rejection, guys. We were expecting this already, and on this channel I was covering as well the fact that while we were below this level here, the low, this blue descending support, we were forming an inverted head and shoulders. So definitely we were expecting to be rejected by this point. Right now, not only we were rejected by this point right here, but we also broke above the level of this resistance of this falling wedge, this bullish falling wedge, as you can see. If I zoom in here, you can better see that we broke the level of this resistance to the upside, and we found some support here on the way back. We retested already as a support, and we started going up from this point. Right now we have to pay attention, of course, that the target of the falling wedge is the beginning of the movement all the way up to $25 right here, up to this point. But before that, of course, we have some levels of resistance above us. And right now, the level that we are trading is an important level of resistance. Let me show you. This rectangular zone. As you can see, this zone right here has acted many times as support and resistance for the price. So here, 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 here again, again, and also as resistance like here, here, and all this period right here. And right now the level that Solana is trading is exactly this level right here, as you can see. As on the Bitcoin chart, we are also having the bearish divergence here on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, at the level of a very important resistance. So there is a very strong probability of seeing some rejection from this level, some corrective movement, before we finally have enough strength to break above this level and find support on the way back like this. And if we are going to see this type of price action breaking above this level and finding support on this level, it would be a very good opportunity also to open a long position on Solana. If we zoom in here on the 15 minutes chart, you can see that we also have this bearish divergence here, and it looks like we are breaking right now the level of the support of this parallel channel right here. If we actually are going to break this to the downside, then the next important level of support here on the smaller time frame would be $19.45, and the next one right here at $19.18. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!